My name is Danica. So the first topic was all about the introduction to normal distributions. And the second topic was all about the standard normal distributions. And if you haven't watched the videos, I will place the links on the description box below so that you can have some ideas on the third topic, which is the normal distributions, finding probabilities. So, without further ado, let's get started. The objective of this topic is how to find probabilities for normally distributed variables using a table. Probability and normal distributions. If a random variable x is normally distributed, you can find the probability that x will fall in each interval by calculating the area under the normal curve for that interval. On the upper part, consider a normal curve with a mean of 500 and a standard deviation of 100. The value of x1 standard deviation above the mean is mean plus standard deviation is equal to 500 plus 100 is equal to 600. On the lower part, now consider the standard normal curve. The value of z1 standard deviation plus the mean is mean plus standard deviation is equal to 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. The z-score of 1 corresponds to an x value of 600 and areas are not changed with a transformation to a standard normal curve. The shaded areas at the right are equal. So, for example, what is the probability of z less than negative 0.23? So, this is a negative z-score and we want the percentage of values greater than it. So, we need to subtract the value for z. So, z is equal to 0.23 from 1. Therefore, 1 minus 0.591 is equal to 0.409 or 40.9%. Another example is, what is the probability of a random selection being less than 3.65, given a normal distribution with a mean of 5 and a standard deviation of 2.2? So this question requires us to first find the z-score for the value of 3.65. Then, calculate the percentage of values below that z-score from a reference. So, find the z-score for 3.65. Using the z-score formula, x minus mean over standard deviation. So, 3.65 minus 52.2 over 2.2 is equal to negative 0.61. In the standard normal table, find the intersection of 0.6 and 0.01, which should be 0.7291. Since this is a negative z-score and we want the percentage of values below it, we subtract that decimal from 1. So to get 1 minus 0.7291 is equal to 0.2709. So there is approximately a 27.09% probability that a value less than 3.65 would occur from a random selection of a normal distribution with a mean of 5 and a standard deviation of 2.2. So that's all for the third topic, and I hope you have learned something about normal distributions along our discussion. For further questions and suggestions, comment on the comment box below, and please like and subscribe to this channel to see more educational videos about mathematics. So, thank you for watching and stay safe.